Okay, so if you're on this video, then you did not get this question right, so let's read it. Mary earned 74% on her math test. There were 6 other students who took the test. Select the scores which are higher than Mary's. So we need to choose the ones that are higher than 74. So I'm going to do my obvious ones first. Obviously, this one is going to be bigger than 74. And then I'm going to go through and I'm going to see, well, I'm going to do the decimal next. That's an easy one to do. I'm going to use my DP. So I'm going to move this twice. 1, 2. I end up with 72.5. Is that bigger or smaller? That's definitely smaller than 74. Ooh. You can do either scientific notation or fractions next. Remember, for fractions, we'll need to do the cowboy method. So 4 on the inside, hangs up his hat, kicks off his boots, eats 3 donuts. 5 goes into 4 0 times. So I move over and I say, can 5 go into 40? 5 goes into 40 8 times. 8 times 5 is 40. Nothing left, so I have this decimal of 0.8. I now need to do my decimal 2% and move this 2 times, so I end up with 80%. And 80 is larger than 74, so I'm going to go and circle that one. Let's do this cowboy method. So let's see. 21 would go on the inside, 25 on the outside. And now I start thinking, can 25 go into 21? It cannot. Can 25 go into 210? And it can. Let's think. 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200. So it goes in 8 times. 8 times 25, we just said, gives me 200. So if I subtract those 2, bring down my 0, then I ask, how many times does 25 go into 100? Well, let's see. 25, 50, 75, 100. It goes in 4. And I'm left with 0 remainder. But I have 0.84, which would be 84%, which is bigger than 74. So we're getting through these easy. Remember kind of what our other video said. If you have a positive, it's usually going to be bigger, a big, huge percentage. But let's go ahead and see. Let's take this out of scientific notation, move it 1 time, which gives me 86. And then to turn it to a percent, I move it 2 more times. So 8,600. That is definitely bigger. This one, to take it out of scientific notation, I'm moving 1 to the left. So that gives me 0.074. To turn that to a percent, I move 2 times, so I get 7.4%, and that is not bigger. So the 4 bottom ones should have been selected.